Hi guys, I'm looking at you guys directly from Cozmo's camera. Cozmo is a very unique and intelligent robot which uses artificial intelligence and robotics. And today we're going to write some very simple programs which will allow Cozmo to do some very cool functions. So the function that we're going to make Cozmo go through is we're going to make Cozmo move forward 100 millimeters once. So let's start the program. So when we get into the code, there's two main functionalities, a when condition and do. Now, as of right now, for this simple code, we don't need a when condition. We just want Cozmo to move forward. So we go into the do side and we press enter. And all of Cozmo's unique functionalities pop up and more. But let's go with move because we want it to move. Once we select move, it gives us the options and we select ahead. Then it gives you the options for how much we want Cozmo to travel. And we select 100 millimeters. And the last button is you select once because we don't want Cozmo to move forward multiple times. So let's test it out. As you can see, Cozmo moved forward 100 millimeters once. Now that we've covered the do section of Cozmo's capabilities, let's look at the when section. So I've written a basic line of code where when see cube 1 in frame, then it goes to the do section and does that. So I wrote when Cozmo sees cube 1, and each cube is unique in its own way. As you can see here, cube 1 has this unique characteristic and drawing on it. So when Cozmo sees that cube in the frame, it will go and do the function that I told it to do. Let's test it out. As you can see here, Cozmo moved forward 100 millimeters when it saw cube 1. Now let's see if it will move forward even when cube 1 is not there. So let me tilt it this way. And let's run it again. As you can see, Cozmo did not move forward at all, meaning our code worked. So now that we've covered the when functionality, the do functionality, let's head for subtasks. As you can see here, in this line and this line, both of these are subtasks. So in the first subtask, I said move toward it. It refers to the cube I mentioned earlier in the when statement. When see cube 1 in frame, move ahead 100 millimeters once, and then after that, move toward it. After that, I told it to grab the cube and it'll pick the cube up. So if the code works, the robot should look at the cube, drive 100 millimeters forward, look at the cube once again, drive towards it, and pick it up and put it down. Let's test it out. As you can see, Cozmo drove forward 100 millimeters, it looked at the cube, and it drove towards it. And then it picked it up. Right now. There we go. The code worked. Now that we've coded a few lines, let's have some fun and make Cozmo do some tricks. So, using Cozmo's built-in app, where you can download on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store, you can make Cozmo do all sorts of tricks. For example, I'm going to make Cozmo pounce on my finger. Let's make it happen. So, if I move my finger in front of Cozmo, he's going to look around for anything that will move, and he's going to pounce on it. Oh, there we go. He pounced on it.